attack, which scored her the first 2-point takedown. Medet Kızı in the blue, Riasco in the red. Medet Kızı, you would imagine, will be extremely aware of that double leg blast from Riasco, and she's straight to it, Medet Kızı.
Difference here tonight, to attack the upper half of the body rather than the lower half of the body. If you look at one thing on Genesis Riasco, look at the size of her legs and her quads in particular. So you know the hips are strong as she picks up that 2-point takedown, but for Medet Kızı, you have to stay.
Keeping it upper body, very top of the upper body, and Medet Kızı playing to her strength and going round the corner, and now in parterre she's going to turn for two.
Then ultimately look for either the near or far side pick, which is what she was looking for there. So head position.
Riasco needing to really change things up, work out a way to get this final points and then have the victory. Medet Kızı, and she will beat the world champion Genesis Riasco tonight. It's about Ayperi Medet Kızı.